So let's talk about the best crypto site for beginners. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So, are you just starting to learn about crypto and you're wondering where to go? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, I'm gonna share some great sites that are gonna help you get started on your crypto journey, all right? Step one, start with crypto.com. It's a super easy site for beginners. It has a clear layout. You can learn about different types of crypto, how to buy them, and even how to keep your coins safe all in one place. It's like having a guide right inside your pocket, okay? Step two, next you're gonna check out CoinMarketCap. This site shows you all the popular cryptocurrencies and their prices. You'll also find detailed information like how the coin is doing over time, and it's a great tool to help you to track your crypto journey, all right? Step three, after you get comfortable, visit forums like Reddit or Twitter where people share tips and they discuss the latest news. Because, joining a community can give you new insights and help you feel more confident, all right? So, by following these steps, you're gonna know exactly where to go for the best crypto information as a beginner. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already using crypto.com, use my account, open your account with my referral link in the description, because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways, and then you could do the same thing with other people.